Hey guys, welcome by my new YouTube video, and this time I made a bonus video, a process video from my last layout, and I'm working with the collection kit Legendary van Coco Vanilla. So first I mark where I put my design paper on my layout, and then I'm working with acrylic paint. This is the light blue craft paint from Hobby Craft Paint Catrines, and with my brayer I pick something up and spread it out over my layout. I use the second color I use is the Dilutions Baby Night acrylic paint. And this is the second color, and I pick some up with my brayer again and spread it out over my layout. And this is a fun way to make your own background with your brayer. And here I dry my background with the heat tool, and then I'm going to make splashes on my layout with the acrylic paints. And with I added some water to the acrylic paints, and with a brush I make some splatters on my layout. So, and now my background is ready. I'm going to decorate it with my squares. I made 9 squares, 2 by 2 inches, and with my paper distresser from Tim Holtz from Ranger, I just distress my edges, and then I use the Versa Magic, the color Asian Blue, to color the edges of my squares. And before I place my squares on the layout, I first use some white floss. And then it's time to place my squares on my layout. I use 3D foam because the effect of 3D foam, I really like it because it looks like a little bit of it's coming out of your layout. So that's a really nice effect, and with my 9 squares I make one big square on my layout. And now it's time for the photo. I want to scrap a photo from my husband and my son when he was little. And I cut some design paper for behind the photo, and I distress the edges with my paper distresser. And with the color Versa Magic Color Aging Blue, I color the edges from the design paper. And with the 3D foam, I put them behind the photo and place them on my layout. And now it's time to decorate the scrapbook layout. I used the die cuts from the legendary kits from Coco Vanilla, and I like the die cuts very much. And this is the most fun part of scrapbooking is decorating. So also the edges from the die cuts, I color them with the Versa Magic and place them on my scrapbook layout. And when my layout is almost ready, I do a little bit more splashes with the acrylic paint. So I take my brush and splatter some splatters on my layout with the 2 colors I use for my background. And as finishing touch, I use also acrylic inked black and also the acrylic inked white for a more effect on my layout. For a little bit more color on my layout, I put a design paper, a green-white design paper behind my layout and a little green die cut behind the photo. So I want to thank you all for watching my process video, and I hope I can inspire you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!